This video, let me show you how to change font style on a Tecno Spark Slim step by step in this video, and let's learn how to do that. So go to the settings of Tecno Spark Slim, head to display and brightness. When you go to display and brightness, move down where you actually see fonts option right there. Okay, tap fonts, and now you can actually see all this. Okay, down here you see what they call my fonts. You see that? Those two. Okay, you can actually select from these two if you're really comfortable with these font styles, or you can actually tap on the more option so that you can actually have more font styles to select from. And then please endeavor that the font manager permissions, okay, you set these photos and videos, and then always allow all, then come back. Now when you actually come back, okay, when you go backwards, you actually have different font styles that you can actually select from. You select according to your preference. I'm going to go with this one, tap it, and then you see that. And then you see the option of download, so you download it. Okay, you just give it some time, make sure your phone is actually connected to good internet. Download complete. Then you see the option of apply, so tap apply. Then they show you reminders, use the font. Okay, tap OK. You see that? Okay, set successfully. When you head back, you can actually see the font style has actually changed, and you see the font style has been added right here. Okay, when you now that is you changing the font style. You see everything, the font style has changed. You see that already. That's how you change the font style on a Tecno Spark Slim.